If you're tired of the same old Spotify, this video is for you. Today we're going to make Spotify look better and add features to make it feel more personal and easier to use. We're talking about themes, extensions, and apps Spotify doesn't want you to know about, all completely free. With that said, let's get started. First, if you have Spotify installed from the Microsoft Store, go to Settings, then Apps, and click on these three dots next to Spotify to remove it. Now search for Spotify Download. Click on the second link and install the latest version of Spotify directly from their website. Once you've got Spotify installed, make sure you're logged into your account. Now let's get Spicetify up and running. Click on the second link in the description. It will take you to the installation section. Copy this script, open PowerShell, and paste it in here. Now give it a moment to do its thing. When you reach the part where it asks you if you want to install the marketplace, just hit enter. And that's it, Spicetify is installed. At this point, Spotify still looks the same, but you'll notice a new icon here for the marketplace. Now this is where all the magic happens. You've got access to extensions, themes, snippets, and apps. Everything you need to customize Spotify the way you like. Let's start with extensions. There are tons of extensions here, so feel free to explore them. But in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the must-have ones. Extensions that I think everyone should have because they make Spotify way better. First up, we have Add Blockify. Just search Add in the marketplace and you'll see this. Simply click on Install and then Reload Now. And that's it, you're all set. This extension unlocks premium-like features related to ads, so you can enjoy your music without any interruptions. Next we have Fullscreen, and this one's pretty awesome. Install it and then open PowerShell. Copy this command and run it. It will install an app related to lyrics. Once that's done, Spotify will reload automatically. Now just hit F to toggle full screen mode. You can also tweak a few settings and adjust the volume by clicking on these icons. Now let's move on to themes. There are a lot to choose from, so feel free to explore. But if you're on Windows and like that clean modern look, I actually made a video about some Fluent design tweaks that can make your Windows PC look way better, so if that's your style, feel free to check it out. You might love the Microsoft Fluent design theme. This is the same design system Microsoft uses to make apps look sleek and consistent. But for now, just install the theme and boom, you're ready to go. After installing the theme, the icons for extensions and apps will change, and the cards will have a more rounded appearance. And there are some extra settings you can play around with. You can change the background mode between animated, solid color, and static. So you can really make Spotify look how you want. Almost everything is customizable. Next is snippets. Snippets are small codes that can change or add small and repeated sections in Spotify. For example, you can enable the smooth progress and volume bar feature. Once installed, scrolling on the volume and progress bar feels smooth. Also, this little dog on the playback bar adds a fun touch. It looks really nice. Explore different snippets to customize Spotify however you like. Installing apps isn't as simple as extensions and snippets with a single click, but it's still easy to follow. First, click on the app you want to install. Then click on the GitHub logo to open its website. From there, click on the Releases tab and download the zip file. Extract the contents and rename the folder to Spicetify History. Next, open your terminal and type Spicetify config dir to open the Spicetify configuration folder. Then navigate to the Custom Apps directory and move the renamed folder into that location. Finally, run these two commands. And just like that, the app is installed. Now you can access the app right here. From now on, any songs you play will be saved and accessible, no matter if you played them today or a month ago. So let's say it's been a while since you installed Spicetify and the Spotify client has released a new update that you've installed. There's no automatic update method, but according to the Spicetify theme, you can simply run Spicetify update. And if you no longer want to use the app, uninstalling it is just as easy. Simply run this command. So there you have it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss on any tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.